Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the source quickly. Enable formula tracing and show formulas to reveal which cells return hash value. Once done, inspect inputs for type mismatches, text that looks like numbers, stray spaces, or non-printing characters. Use len and istex to confirm types. Trim and clean can remove unwanted characters. Also check that referenced ranges have matching dimensions. This gets you into the problem fast, so you can move directly into targeted fixes without guessing. Next, apply fixes for frequent causes. When numbers are stored as text, use value, multiply by 1, or paste special multiply to coerce them. If concatenation breaks formulas, wrap numbers with text or convert strings back to numbers so functions expect the correct type. Make sure range sizes match in operations like SumProduct or array formulas. Mismatched dimensions produce hash value. When using index or match, confirm match returns a valid index, and wrap with Iferer to handle edge cases. Finish by validating and protecting your fixes. Test the formula stepwise with evaluate formula and simple sample inputs to see where evaluation stops. Add Iferer to return a helpful message or fallback value while you debug, but avoid hiding real problems permanently. Make sure external links, named ranges, and data types are consistent across sheets. If uncertainty remains, copy just the formula and reference cells into a new sheet to isolate sheet-level factors. One tip: re-entering the formula often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.